Hi, my name is Elsa Montalvo. I am here today to show you how to join My Daily Choice hempworx for free with some two simple steps. Okay, first of all, you're going to need your email that you pre-enrolled, and you're also going to need the website that the person sent you. After that, you're going to click login, and this is after you have pre-enrolled. So you're going to click pre-enroll. It's going to require your email. You're going to put your email, click login. You're going to show yourself that you're in a pre-enrollee. Click get started. Make sure the enroller is the person that you want to sign up with. Click start now. After you click start now, you have the option. This is if you're going to sign up for free. You scroll all the way down, and where it says no product purchase, become an affiliate, you click there. It says create an account, your first and last name, your information, your email, your username, your ownership name is your first and last name. You're going to need a password from 5 to 16 characters, your shipping address and billing address. After the payment option, you put your credit card. Your credit card information is for future purchases. It's going to ask for your billing address. If it's the same one, you just click copy ship address. And here it says zero, total zero. That means that the company will not charge you anything. You're going to click all the agreements and hit continue. After that, you will get an email and it will tell you that you have your account number and you are an affiliate. Congratulations for coming aboard with My Daily Choice.